How to add games to your Wix website. So from the dashboard here, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now from within the Wix website editor, we want to click on the search bar here in the top right corner. And I'm going to show you a few methods of how we can add games. So the first method is simply searching for games, and you will be able to see this: pop-up games, improve conversions with pop-up games, or Crossy Chicken. So you can choose either of those. For example, if I want to do Crossy Chicken, you will be able to see that this is a proper game here with controls, and people can play this game onto your Wix website. Or if we want to gain something from it, we can improve conversions here with pop-up games, which basically just means that you will get to spin the wheel here if we click on Add to Site. Now, another method of adding games to your Wix website here is searching for Gamify. Now, if we type out Gamify, you will see this: Sales Dish, Lucky Wheel, Unlimited Spin to Win, and Pop-In Smart Pop-Ups. So let's say I want to add this one as an example here. So as you can see, collect emails with interactive prize wheel. So basically people will get, for example, some discounts on your website, but they will have to type out their email address in order to get to spin the wheel. So basically I'll just click on Add to Site here, and we can add games to our Wix website that way. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.